What's up, YouTube? It's important. This shit is important. The most important shit. Okay, what's the gist? What's the important idea that we have? We need to attain all of this information in one day, in one night, bro. In 5 hours. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, in 5 hours, bro. How can I do that? With Jesus, bro. What are we trying hard? Like, if we are meant to be there, we will be there. That's what? That's what? If I'm not meant to be there, I'm not gonna be there. Yeah? That's a redirection. Yeah? So if I'm not meant to be there, I'm not going there. But if I were to be open right there, I'ma go there right there. Don't ever play. Do you want me marketing? Go. Do you want me finance? Go. If you want me accountant? Go. Bro, I can manage. I can adapt it. Yeah? I'm the God. I'm with Jesus. That's what. Yeah? I'm confident because I have Jesus. Jesus is with me. I am with Jesus. Eh? So, what is this big agenda? The big agenda is testing for UST. Bro, UST is my prioritized school? Fuck no. But it's my dream school. Yeah? I mean, it's my dream school is in Taiwan, but UST, the Philippines, that's like number 1. You know, it's like, it's not affordable, but you know, it's also achievable. You know what I'm saying? Like, we are not that high. Yeah? It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be super hard. But bro, life is motherfucking hard. If you are not trying, you are dead. That's what? That's what? Don't ever play with me with this nonsense, eh? So, we have to test for tomorrow, 9 a.m. for UST entrance exam. We pass, we whitelist it, we get failed, like we get rejected. Bro, at least we tried, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, like, you have the capabilities, you know, you can pursue it, you can go there and say I can do it. Yeah? That's what's like, no nothing, no nonsense, no nada, nothing. If you say you can do it, you can do it. That's what. So, first of all, what subject do we need to learn? Well, we know we are not good at math. Like, math is our like least favorite in entrance exam. Now we like math, but not like in entrance exam, cause like the like I don't even know. Like, bro, how I cannot explain it. Like, oh no. Oh yes, bro. It's a bad. Anyways, before we got interrupted, yeah. In University of the East, yeah. I go in there. There's a lot of people who are wearing glasses, who are prescribing autism. Yeah, they probably like in there trying to get in with the highest GPA possible, so they can get a scholarship. Like, bro, I was there trying to survive and they tried to kill somebody. Oh my goodness. Like, bro, just tell me you're smart. Like, you look smart, you are smart. Everybody probably like go. Like, I can tell you that all these people that go in that University of the East literally passed, like, everybody. Yeah? The lowest grade you can get there is 3.25 and I got 2.75. Bro, I'm not telling you shit, but that is 85 or like 83 or 82. Like, bro, it is not what we want. It is what we want. Like, we pray for that shit to be at least, you know, like, at least passed. You know what I'm saying? But still, bro, still, that is not gonna cut it in this university of college. Like, bro, we need a higher grade. So that's why we gonna learn something today. If we don't retain this, I don't know what else. Like, bro, you see, I don't know if I'm gonna get in, honestly. Like, UST is a prestigious school with a high standard and a really, really, really smart people right there working in there, you know. So am I. Alright, you know, like, I'm not gonna downgrade myself just because this prestigious school is on the higher level. If I'm meant to be in the top, then I'm gonna be on the top. That's what, like, remember that. Remember that. I'm gonna make it in the higher ups. With this school or with this no school. But if I'm with this school, like, it will definitely help me. You know. It will definitely help me, bro. It will help. It will help, like, bro. What's gonna say? It will help. It will definitely help. But, you know, like, if we're not meant to be there, I hope we are. But if we're not meant to be there, then go. Like, so be it. We got University of the East. Like, what more can we ask for? We are literally asking to be passed at least one university, and we did. Yeah. And I'm grateful for that. And I'm eating it. I want to get into top 4. At least top 4. But at least we got University of the East. Like, that's at least top 20. Top 50, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, do we yak more or do we not yak more? But, yeah, regardless, we're going to first tackle on algebra. Because that's definitely going to be our most like you know, like when you're doing an exam and you know the answer, you know the formula, but you cannot, you know, it's in the top of your tongue, like that, you know. I don't know if I can get in, but I will definitely try. That's what we know. Who are these people texting? Ano? UAAP? What's UAAP, bro? What's UAAP? UAAP? What is that? Premier Collegiate Athletic Association Philippines. Athletic Association. Oh. Fuck no. Ano ba sa kanya? Ano ba to? Ano ba, Kir, ha? Factors affecting price change. Kaya yan. Sa... Anyways, we're going to turn this off. We can fuck with it anytime we want. So hopefully not now, cause I got so much to do. So first is what can I first get? Science. Yeah, make science. Mathematics. Yep. Maths. When it's all in you, the second, yeah. Okay, it's settled then. We're going to study first the math exams. And then we're jumping on to science, and then English, which is the practical research. Okay, it's gonna be a hard night. Probably not the hardest night because I've had roughest night ever, but it's gonna be a hard night. Oh, what a cutie. Yes. What do we have here? Algebra. We're gonna do beginner algebra. Here. This guy is literally like the goats, but oh, that's basic algebra. Yep, we got this guy.
Math. It's pretty sigma, but not like that. No. Sigma notation, one of the many topics I'm going to cover in this video. The entirety of algebra, not really explained in 15 minutes, part 1. Let's go! We start by counting. Humans have 5 fingies on each hand, which makes it easy to count from 1 to 10. But what's not easy is negative numbers. Negative fingies, which is just painful and not a good way to introduce these numbers. So instead of amputation, we resort to a line, a road that spans infinitely far in the positive numbers and infinitely far in the negatives. Great, you've unlocked the number line. So if you were to choose a random number in this set of numbers, x, then you would most likely get a never before seen value that will never be written down ever again in the entire existence of the universe. Anyway, what is x? X is a variable, an object in which values can be stored. Algebraic expressions, which are basically quirky little math statements, always have variables. When you see something like this, it is saying that there are 2 lots of the value x. The coefficient of x is 2, so it's just x times 2. It is the same as x plus x, but not x times x. That is x squared. But why do we call it squared? Well, imagine x is the side length of a square. We know all squares must have equal sides that are perpendicular. Given that x is one length and all lengths are equal.
What is this girl saying? Like, huh? Anyways, before we got interrupt. What? Yeah, I'm afraid we gotta college algebra. Do you want me to kill myself? Just kidding.
We know that all lengths are x. We also know that the area of a rectangle is the length of the perpendicular sides multiplied, so the area of a square is x times x, x squared. Awesome, now you know what a square is. But when we look at this, what the flip? What the flip is the 2? Well, it is the exponent, a value that makes straight lines go like this. Straight lines, when graphed, are lines made by the equation y equals mx plus c. Or b if you're feeling extra quirky.
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night.
This equation and every other 2D graphable equation is asking, when x is equal to something, what is y equal to? So when you are graphing it with Desmos, the program is finding y, like me, find y, join the Discord server, for every possible x value. I mean, that's great for stuff like y equals x, but what about these other things? M stands for Minecraft.
Depends on the whoa, hey.
No, it doesn't. M stands for the slope, the steepness of the graph. So when we are multiplying x by m, it is setting the steepness of the graph. And finally, for the B, C anemone,
Enemy spotted.
C is the y-intercept, the y-coordinate where the y-axis and the line meet. So, to quickly recap, for each possible x-coordinate, the respective y-coordinate is equal to the steepness multiplied by said x, then shifted up or down by the y-intercept. Bed Wars.
That's too much going on. I cannot do this shit. What the fuck? It's too much shit, man.
Welcome to another video from UltimateAlgebra.com. Question 3. 3x squared plus 8 equals 20. Solve for x.
It's too easy. I cannot.
We are looking at solving multi-step equations. The process of solving is just like solving two-step equations.
You put the 8 here, minus 8, and that's gonna be 12, and then 3, and then divide by 3, and then we got 3x squared, and then equals 12 divided by 3, that's gonna be 3, 6, 9, 12, 4. So 4, we square it that, we got 2x squared.
We want to get the x on one side.
2. X equals 2.
To achieve this, we know that we must get rid of the times 2 and the plus 5. Let's bring.
That's what? Bro, I can't do this shit, you know. I can't be something better. But you know, like, we gotta do harder, like. Okay, not that hard. Why is this? Why is this so white? Like, bro, it's killing my eyes. It's killing my eyes. I don't understand it. Killing me the eyes. What are we doing? Oh shit, I look hard. Anyways.
The unknown value is usually what the question is asking you to find. Here, it is Michael's age. Let's represent it with x. Now we just translate. We know added to is addition. Thrice is 3 times. So thrice Michael's age is 3x. And is means equal to. So this is 5 plus 3x equals 50. You can now solve the two-step equation. We subtract 5 from both sides. The 5 will cancel out. 50 minus 5 will be 45. So we have 3x equals 45. Next, we will divide both sides by 3. This will cancel out. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Therefore, x equals 15. Michael's age is 15 years.
That shit's amazing. I didn't know that.
Question 15.
That's possible, but.
Which of the relations below is not a function?
Oh, we get this. We get this kind of questions, bro.
To answer this question,
better.
let's go through a few things about functions. When you have a notation, example, 2, 5, the 2 represents the input value. That's x value.
X.
The
right.
5 represents the output value. That's the y value. This is the same as what we will learn in graphing points. For a relation to be a function, no input value can have multiple output values. Also, all input values must have output values. Let's look at examples. Here, the input values are these, and the output values are these. Note that each input value corresponds to only one output value. Although 3 is an output value, without any input value corresponding to it, it is still a function. This could have been written in this form. We wrote each of the input values and what output value they correspond to. Now let's look at this relations. This relation is not a function because the input 2 has more than one output value. That's 7 and 5. No input value can.
So in the question. Oh, that's B. Oh. Oh. No, it's not B. It's C. What did I see just back there? I swear I see 2 negative 5. Oh, that's negative 5. What the fuck is my eyes budget? It's C, probably.
And have
Oh,
function.
I did
Function
not know
y
that.
value 8
Oh, that's still a function. Okay, let's see.
written twice. See, our input value can have more that function, and the more than
What else question you
equals
got?
50. To make sure your inequality is in the
Oh.
form variable
Oh, we got this
inequality
too.
sign and plus 8 and x.
Oh, we got this too. Oh my goodness. This is a banger.
To solve for x, we want to have the x on one side of the equation and everything else on the other side of the equation. To do that, we have to move the times m and the plus b. We will use the reversal of the order of operation to know which one to perform first.
Minus b.
Let's bring our order of operations.
And then
In the reversal,
divide by m.
we will note subtraction.
Right. There we go.
Question
That's what I said. You know,
10. Welcome to another video from Ultimate Algebra. To get the x by its 3 less than x plus 8 and x plus 8 less than 20, we just combine them. The solution is exactly the same. Instead of having two sides, you now have three sides. To get the x by itself, we have to subtract 8 from all three sides. The 8 will cancel out here. Negative 3 minus 8 is negative 11. Then 20 minus 8 is 12. So our answer is negative 11 less than x less than 12. Question.
oh,
Our answer is negative 11 less than x less than 12.
so that's how people do it. Okay, I get that.
Question 12. We are looking at graphing inequalities. First thing is to locate your point. You'll draw a shaded or unshaded circle at the point. If you have less than or greater than, then the circle will not be shaded. If you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, you will use the shaded circle. So basically, if it has an equal to, you will shade. In this case, since it's just greater than, we will not shade the circle. Then finally, we draw an arrow. The easiest way to get this always right without thinking is to make sure your inequality is in the form variable, inequality sign, and then the number. In that form, the direction of your arrow will be the same as the direction of the inequality sign. Here, since this is in that form, we will draw our arrow facing here, and we are done. Question 13. In order to ship 2,500 gallons of a product to another country, Stan's Shipping Company had to package the gallons into boxes. If they had 20 packaged boxes and 100 gallons left that are not in boxes, how many gallons were in a box? This kind of two-step equation word problem is very common. We are first going to solve it in details for teaching purpose. Then I'll show you how you can solve it in less than 10 seconds on an actual test. You have three values in these type of questions. Let's write them down. We have 2,500 gallons. We have 20 boxes. And finally, we have 100 gallons. The 2,500 gallons represents the total. So we have equals 2,500. The 20 boxes is what I call the group. The gallons have been grouped into boxes. For most questions, the group can also be identified as the number that represents something different from the other two numbers. So here, 2,500 represents gallons. The 100 also represent gallons. But the 20 represent boxes. So the 20 will be the group. The group is the one with the x, so we will have 20x. We can now add the 100 gallons left to the equation and solve for the x in this two-step equation. Subtract 100 from both sides. These will cancel out. 2,500 minus 100 will be 2,400. We now have 20x equals 2,400. Divide both sides by 20.
That's beautiful.
Forget everything you think you know about algebra being difficult. In the next 20
We are
minutes,
not doing AI.
Are you ready to put your algebra skills to the test? Thereafter, you get. Are you?
Simplify. 3x 3. Oh, 12. 7. B. Coefficient of y in 5. If a and b, what is a plus 2, 3, 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So for y, okay, 12, sorry, 12, then 12 4, so 4. Which equation represent a proportional relationship? Proportion, purport. Let's go B. I don't know, C. Oh, that's Y. What's proportional? What's proportional? Correspondences amount to something else. Oh, why is that? Same or constant ratio? What? I don't know what that is. Simplify. Okay, so first off, 4x 4 times 2. 4 times 2, 8. 4x, 8 yan. So, nandiyan na sa baba. Wait lang. Wait lang. Let me cook. X plus 2 times 3x. I'm not smart. Oh. So, like 4x plus 4 8 minus 3x, and then like terms we have 3, 6, 7 plus 8 and 0, then we put it here, keep 8 7x, oh 7x plus 8. What? X plus 8? Oh, it's a minus. Oh yeah, fuck man. There was an error. Find the slope of passing f plus mx plus c. Is that right? Find what is this, bro? So input, so that's gonna be 1 equals x1 plus, I don't know how to do this, bro. Okay. So to find it, we have y plus y1. Oh, we got that there. Oh, can't believe I forgot about it. Minus. Do we do minus? Oh, it's minus all of it. Sorry. Y squared minus y1 over x squared minus x1. So we got so 2 minus 6 and then 1 minus 3 equals 6 5 4 4 1 minus 3 negative 2 What? Are you sure? What else? It's 2 x2. Oh, frick. What the frick? Ay, hindi ko siya natama. Y2 is gonna be 6. Baliktad pala ako. 6 man. Oo nga, baliktad na ako. Ano ba yan? Baliktad. Factor. So, palagawin. Paano to? How to factor? Factorization. I'm not smart like you, ho. Factor. Factor meals, math. Hala, you're making me want to eat chicken. Factor. Product. Simpler parts. How do we do that? One and 4, then multiply 2, 4, and add to 5. Oh, right, kasi ka 1 dyan. Bayo sa ka 5. Siga 1, 6, so 6, 1, 6. Am I right? Let's go baby. What? Multiply that, so 1 to 6, 1. And add to 5. Huh?
What that even means. We're together, you too. But it's important to realize that numbers 2, 3, 4, and 6 actually see what a common factor is. But now we can ask, what's their greatest common factor? The way most people would sum up the fraction by simply just one step. Of course,
how did they do that? X squared. Oh. Oh. What you can add, then you can times. Oh my goodness. Can't believe I missed that. Factor. So, laki mo siya. So, x squared maging xx. Tapos, yung ano. Oh my goodness. How did I miss that? 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Oh my goodness. So 5x, pwede siya i-plus 6. Okay. If only I knew. A solution set of 6x squared. So that's gonna be 4. What? Oh, solution set. See. So for x, first of all we can put it there. Then so, no, yung 3. Tapos we can minus. So negative 9, 5x. Then we put 5x there. So that's gonna be negative 3, right? So it's gonna be 5. We got negative 3. Then negative 9, and then you got negative 3. Oh, 3 pala. Oo, kasi nga. Sorry. Simplify. 3 times 3 it's gonna be B. Oh, so we can't do that. Di pala siya kayang gawin. Basta ano lang, i-foil method mo nga, x squared. O nga no. Tingnan natin foil method natin. That's 3, x minus 3. So we got x squared, negative 3x, and then we got plus 3x, and we got negative 9. So this could be x squared minus 9. Oh my goodness! Yeah, foil method pa ganyan. Wait, take question na lang as well. See? That's right. Calculate, simplify. So we can wait. I think I know what to do here. X squared minus 9 is x plus 3. Then we can do it like this: x minus 3, and then x plus 3, and then we can x plus 3. So we can cancel that out. So x minus 3. That's A. Please be right. Yeah! Oh my goodness, I'm so smart! Just 3. That was, I don't know what that was. Our rectangle length is length 2x plus 1. Speed is x minus 2. What is the area? Rectangle area formula. Rectangle length times width. Oh, so that's gonna be hard. Length times width. So 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. So firstly, it's gonna be like this. Nope. Let 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. I think we can. Let's try it. 2x, right? 2x plus 2 squared, and then 4x. Then we got x negative 1. It's gonna be 5x 1 x squared. Negative 2. It should be negative 1. It's B. Oh right, it's minus. It's negative 4. It's magiging 3. Oh my goodness, I was so dumb. Humilit ka pa ng sawog. So 4x. 2x minus 4. I know it's hardly gonna be this, but at least we got to found this, you know. So firstly, itong ano. So negative 4. Ay, hindi ganyan. Add 4. Let's add 4. It's gonna be 6. It's gonna be 10. And 2x 3. 10. Then I'd say times 3. It's gonna be 30. It's gonna be 2x, and then divided by 2. 2 2 1 10 5 That's a great solution for SS movie. You can do it like this. X times you can times 2x. So this one therefore we can make 6. Okay. So it's gonna be 10 3 plus 2x. Yeah, don't. Oh, we can just. Why am I doing, bro? We can just substitute. Let's say we got 8 minus 4, and then 3. So 2 times 8 we got 16, minus 4 we got 12. 12 divided by 3, 3, 6, 9, 4. Okay, no, maybe 10. Let's go 10. We got 10, 20 minus 4, we got 16. 16 divided by 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 6, 15, 15, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Right. So hindi siya 10. So 11. 2, 11, that's gonna be 20, 22. 22 minus 4, we got 18. 3, 6, 9, 8. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 11. That's D.
Test. Hope you remember your score.
Yep. So we know the basic of algebra, so we can hopefully move on to another topic. We got polynomial. I is kind of tense. I just want to sleep, bro. I just want to sleep. Honestly, oh, make it so easy to fall. I want to sleep. 8, 9, 10, 11. Honestly, I'm cooked. Arithmetic sequence. How did I know this? Oh. We need to. Oh, chat. I'm gonna need a power nap.